Hello friends, our today's activity is M-Seal art and we are going to make a wall hanging using M-Seal. I've opened this M-Seal packet. As you can see, this is a white M-Seal, and in the packet you will see these two small packets. What we have to do is we have to mix both these packets together to make a ball. You'll need talcum powder and some fancy strings. Also, you'll need some regular day-to-day objects. See, here I have collected our regular day-to-day items like pencil, a straw, earbud, scale. The reason to collect these articles is to create textures on the M-Seal that we are going to make. So let's begin. We will need this talcum powder because when we are mixing the M-Seal or when we are molding the M-Seal, it has the tendency to stick to your hands and to the surface. So we are going to apply some talcum powder on the surface as well as on your hands, and then we will open the packet and we will mix these two packets. So I have taken both the parts. I'm thoroughly mixing the two M-Seal parts. You have to be very quick while working with the M-Seal because it will become hard as a stone, and then you will not be able to shape it the way you want. So there. So what I'm doing now, I'm molding this into a shape. For the wall hanging, you're going to roll 3 to 4 balls of different size and flatten them in the shape of your choice. So this I'm going to shape it as an oval. Then one I will shape it as a rectangular shape, a circle and a diamond shape. So first I'll show you the oval shape. So how you can give texture, I'll just give you some demonstration. See, I'm using this straw and I'm just pressing it lightly to create impressions. Then with the pencil, if I want to put dots. Now this earbud, I'm cutting the earbud and I'm using the pipe of the earbud to create a different texture. See, this dot is very different from the pencil dot that we created. Then you can use scale to create lines. So these are some textures that I'm showing, so you get a rough idea how you can create different textures on your M-Seal and create a design on the shape that you have molded.